Good morning, and so Jordan. Another week, near Simo, na ye Conisano, a bedroom now, Oshi, and Master said, I would even some the bros I will cancel some the other toss with a fata sautina, ye Bob one ye de a bucket away singing the Rebiana, ye best sent and pass on a year fee, a month for my so, na yaba fee, Sergio Manucho, Benan Paribu Tremi producer, schedule and Cassani, Erica Sirubori, Arsenal back on top, Arsenal, agitable, and Swasan Bosubim, or game back over, and City War games, you know, as for and the almost Shedimo said, China and Tottenham beat me deal massimo, but Ninemo and many crab and general Okopiemo, Old Trafford, Mutimich Dam and I saw ball Manchester United by a goal to Alexander Trossard and a ball sa goal no at the Mao Okopiemo Old Trafford. Games are held anymore on Man City winning and the next Arsenal team is nice so Pokumunra and of course I know Mutimi no to Kopimo Tottenham Hotspur so ball Burnley by 2-1 West Ham United nice ball Luton by 3-1 and Wolves Crystal Palace born a Kami and Samani Timo back on Northern Forest Chelsea born 3-2 and everybody can share Newcastle United and Brighton and Swatch draw now Kopimo Spain and Real Madrid Wajili Gine data and one fancy watch Granada Bono and 9 Granada to me and Kwarana Kalancholochi Mujina Musan says so resty players for that final on the 1st of June and then Ed Danchenya Atletico de Madrid and so Germany winning 1-0 over Celta de Vigo Tenone de Corso Honomo but then rather highlights Corso Spain Real Madrid title celebration in grand style of Madrid blockade streets in Madrid the Pania the idea we had no one but the Syria you show game against Granada Muji and I just say some of Fakrum Kakrama fans so Philly Kakra fans a copy mu or Montins or Nanya Sam get to Accra and Tiano de Koso Bashan so Mama say on the 1st of June the final of the UEFA Champions League Real Madrid up against Borussia Dortmund and say commentary and the fish coverage they brought Kakrakapa Bako Tema, Bako Enkrai, and the Rap Your Jersey, it's FM, the Joy FM, they brought Aviation Social Center, Tiano, Anopa, Ashisha, and Nene Kusen, but our Tema, Adom TV, Adom FM, and Yasampe FM, na Yaso Yatemu Chuku, our Tia Vana, Tema Community 9, a Temayensho Tia Vana, a Tema Community 9. Dortmund versus Real Madrid and no yet Semper FM Champions League Fun Day want be new home Fimusan Sebede no pane a chassis the games hold on chess what church and kakra ageni ansana game na kasa chassis on the 1st of June and tika shada so sa FA mame hodoma no yet the UEFA Champions League final. Now if you're now Kopimo Germany it is now 50 games unbeaten at the Leverkusen watch a ball huma born a kanumwa Bohuman to me and still unbeaten then I'm going to cause a Bayern Munich winning and Dortmund the outside say that means Champions League final now qualify to the league final win or lose and of course Kopiemo France Kylian Mbappe won the last game for Paris Saint-Germain and now I'm going to lose 3-1 to Toulouse one game almost share one goal almost share Kylian Mbappe in a share goal na the amount the last game at Paris Saint-Germain will fee and so and no Kopiemo 8 victory draw and of course I really gonna wrapping up where we are and Santino also sad about calling the Inter Milan Agile League now you're not feeling they also fear the Black Starlets of Ghana and Chekrana they are 17 wafu zombie tournament now Basel na no and share on a like Kingston on your coach Panipa and man 17 team in some to say when him said we are qualifiers for the 17 AFCON proper and see and ya grow mobedi our wafu zombie tournament na say.
It started from the recruitment. We were very careful as a technical team of choosing the type of players that we believe can fit into the DNA that the Directorate and the GFA put up. And for me, I think we found the right people throughout our preparation. Our friendly games have been very amazing, unbeaten until we lost the game against Russia in our just recent tournament. But all the same, we're focusing on the performance. We dominated in all 3 games. So for me, where we are now, I think we are ready to face anything. Yes, it was a very tough time for all of us. We sat down, we tried to pick the best out of 26 players because the tournament allows just 20 players. So we managed to get 2 goalkeepers and then 18 outfield players. For us, I think among all the players that have gone through, these 20 players are the ones that we believe can help us achieve what we're going to achieve. the main purpose is to qualify. Yeah, our target is to take it a game at a time, make sure we dominate every opponent that we meet, and then make sure we qualify for. Since 2017, we've now qualified into the under-17 youth championship.
Right, like and send coach the man 17 team then somebody yet to a grand and I copy more MTN FA Cup semi-final games at Bar so go Dream Self say defending champions. Yeah, you my fimo shock you be about for quarter no more so money sika mo de ko board na ko share Dream Self about 2-1 as in Swatman so Legon cities about mo cab you mo team back when they say the final is set between but for quarter no in Swatman I share senior no so one some see accord Dream Self see omo ko Africa mo coach Karim Zito Kasa after the game when say Niema I was say before ya there before qualify call final no deserve pa.
Sometimes there's something called an element of luck. So I would say today we didn't too much, the luck was not on our side. We created a lot of chances by putting the ball into you saw it. It's incredible. I can say, but I enjoy what my boys did. The fighting spirit came, especially the last 15-15. They came in seriously to fight for equalizer or to redeem the goal, but luck was not on our side. This is all what I can say. Today we were not lucky. So they took their chances and they won.
Would you say tactically you just had the game plan right? But
yes,
scoring was the
problem. I think...
Right. Coach Karim Zito, no, actually, say lack na wo bofo nti yanko bofo coach John Edward Jr. and also Otimijana na so bo Karim Zito ni senior no watch na shane sa no nani ajepa.
It's all joy. I'm so excited and so happy. From my initial submission, I said this is going to be the fourth time I'm playing against Dreams. I think the first time I played them was when I was with Kotoku Royals. We beat them 3-0 at Dewu. The second time was when we played them in their half over there. That was just last 2 months with Bofo. We lost 3-1. Playing them again last week, I promised that it is either we share the points or one becomes a winner. And today, I came all determined to beat my father because it is time we also need to come up. Every coach's dream is to play and get to the final, win the final, of course, and get to the Africa. So it's every coach's dream, and it's also my dream as well to play in the final.
Enti yebehwe sane hon samasiatia yebehwe kwan final na besi akonso chairman Legon cities na Songo Stake yeah Bonita was Songo Stake so the man countryman Songo Johnny on the line and Diana Songo Stake Songo Wama Mr. Patrick Osajimai.
Fantastic. And let me take a quick one on the MTN FA Cup and the local football. MTN FA Cup now. I think Senior England were more organizing. Fantastic. It drew semi-finals now. The National Sports Stadium. What you say? If you are Sports Stadium, and I say you are Kumasi Sports Stadium. At least for now, only you say available. You understand? I mean, the National Sports Stadium. It is in England football. Wembley, no. Now, a team are qualified, and as a team who are qualified, two more teams, two more leading. I mean, a cloning in Abeshibi. At least Africa, the rest of the world, Beshibi, especially Ghana for Beshibi, because you're born National Sports Stadium. I remember you teams, you know, I remember you players, you know. What I say, I remember you say you develop your football. Now, you do semi-finals near the position, in grassy baby sana. And a live coverage crying, I mean, a whole crew FA Cup, you do semi-finals. I mean, what's your ball at Grand Sports Stadium, National Sports Stadium? Me who say yes. Tomato to football, ni no more to football, ni ya. No more, ni sa. And can you be to me so aboa? I'm a football, ne developing. You being a talent, you be who coaches. What do you coach here? I say, I have to beat my father, Karim Zito. It's a class sports stadium life will be a schedule TV so one moment me and stadium and give us a coach is so I'm so be or that is view I'm so a deal or a very good coach Barbatian say we are boss semi-finals maybe radio commentary and I say whatever you know the local football so omu is serious so omu football ni omu local football ni ya omu local football ni because local football, no, and the bit me your football. You can't do away with the local football. You understand? You can't do away with the local football. National teams, no, any year under 17, year under 15, year under 20, yes, the national teams opa. Selection be free fan. Every free local football, Division 1, Division 2, Division 3, a year Premier League, you know. National teams in the year, every free local talent. So you need to invest. Also, we say, almost say, football people should understand, say, product in any local football. No? Product. Just I do ye first. I mean, you say football, a local football. Then the national teams also are fantastic. You understand? But as we need the national teams to know, and our selection, over players need be officials are almost a Ghana football. So, players in any Google national teams. But meanwhile, the talent need be assistant class in any capitals in the baby. Ube to me, enya player beer, enya official be player, and I say enya penny be player. I want to be developing all the what national team, national teams in the various national teams. It is ye local football here. Football people should understand so ye local football here because football now are saying performing in our national teams and performing in here because of the local football now are perform the local football now perform too much. You understand? And over Karim Zito, now we are no free confederations can buy. And Walker said, when you have chances, hard luck. Well, to me, I share a yellow for aqua. But I want to tell him, say no, with all the experience, we will show our confederations cup. Any goals, we will share our confederations cup. So, catch them say hard luck, meaning to Muda. You understand? Because with that experience, I'm like Munina Mabu, do so many years. But also come with the little experience of confederations cup. So, our chances now walk and any person for messing. No, to make sure things will beat me and say. You understand? To get to the finals for us to see, say, yes, Dream says he represented Ghana, a year confederations cup. Those semi-finals, no do your Muslim, but Omuba local front, a year MTNFA cup, what children of bobbing was semi-finals. At me, a day, drew a year finals. It is a tactical analysis, another analog, day banner. Me to me, I won't take it, but and Casano, my way in Abedadi, no biashe am young coaches in the players talent. Ning Nansen MTNFA Cup, he be drew a yes semi-finals. Nanka the nation's capital. What I say, first match yabo, second match also yabo, just a Saturday yabo bako, Sunday yabo bako. Near we say 4 teams who qualify no. Ye woman who are dealing talent or more any just a BBO, Pabio media bois, a local scene in any local football. Near any team grab it to me do teams to an habitat for stadium. You understand? Because it's well organized. And you say, yeah, Bonnie Biala, Yambom Frio, na calendar, no, if you only you say, you organize it a year's calendar, ama, ya bo sporting activities in every or no, and you Biala, shabu, say, yeah, fine, semi-finals, I could be more to that compare, yeah, the semi-finals, I could be more happy. The National Sports Stadium, no, to more organize local football.
Saint Twice or fire zone. Wow. All right. Thank you so much. There's a real Ejano Twaso.
Oh, yes.
Right.
No water can quench the fire.
Most
1 p.m. sharp.
All right.
There's a fire for fire life. More fire.
Right. Countryman Songo, Mr. Patrick Osageman, and out there in Count Songo stick and every area, Bishia, then fire so Twaso, about on 1st of June at Rapio Jeze, our Aviation Social Center, and of course, Okopimo, Tia Vanna, and all the Asempa FM Champions League Fund Day, and also at the final of the Champions League, and the Bebro, Michelle Tema Community Night, Tia Vanna, the Fine so pass Joe Manucho, Bernard Party with producers, and our kind of Nankasa Kakijwan and Wereka Sidu Bwedi. Because I have